Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Rubel. So today we are going to download, install, and configure the Slack. So the Slack is like one of the application where we can communicate with internal team, like in Microsoft Team that we use for communications. We also can use for Slack. For special for Bitbucket, like right now we already learn how to push our code from our local machine to the Bitbucket pipeline. So as soon as we push our code to the Bitbucket, the pipeline is triggered. And we don't know right now like who triggered the pipeline, when it was triggered. So the Bitbucket has a plugin with the Slack. So if we have a Slack, so as every time we push our code to the pipeline, or if somebody clone the project, all that notification we can send to the Slack message. So whoever in the include in the team, everybody can see that message. Okay. So that's the first, what we are going to do. We will download, install, and complete the registration on the Slack. Then we will create a new workspace. Then we are going back to the Bitbucket where we have a on the Slack. So you have to do the setting on Slack in Bitbucket. Then we're coming back to Slack again to create a channel. After all the configuration done, what we are going to do, we will create one simple another test case or modify something. Then we push our code to the Bitbucket. So in Bitbucket, as soon as we push our code in the Bitbucket, the pipeline should be triggered. And after it's successful, we should see the message in the Slack. Okay, so that is the goal for today. So now let's get started. So the first, open the browser. So we can first, as we say, we need to, we are going to download and install the Slack. So since I'm using the Mac machine, so I just have to download Slack from Mac. And if you're Windows, you can now, search download Slack from Windows. So this is the download, and this is the official site. So I'm going to click on download. So it will take a little bit of time. Then I'm going to show in phone reader. And I have it here in my download folder. So I'm going to expand, double click. And I am going to move this drag and drop like Slack, move to the application folder. So it will take a little bit of time. So in the meantime, I can go to the application folder. And as soon as it's done, I should see the Slack here. It's still progressing. Here I can close this, and Slack is downloaded in my download and install in my application folder. So now I am opening. I double click and just click open. Okay. So it is opening on my other window. So it's a like sign in Slack will take you the web browser, sign in when then bring you back. Is your team new to Slack? So I have to create a new Slack, right? So let's create a new workspace. So is asking me to enter the email address. So let me see which one I can use. So this one I can use. So now I have to go back to my email. Okay, so I got the email. So what I have to do, I have to enter the code. So it's 492.975. So it has been synced. So open Slack. So he's asking me what like is the configuration for the workspace. So I would say since our application name is shopping demo, I'd say and the team name, what I said right for now is like the shopping demo, anything you can like. So next, I am going to skip for now. I say project. Next, I can escape. Skip test. I will add the teammate later. Okay, let's go. Okay, so that so this is the workspace has been created. So now I have to add the channel, and since we are going to see the notification for the pipeline, so I can add the pipeline. So I can click add channel, create new channel, and I can say pipeline. Pipeline, and just create. So I can add people like the team, all the team member here, but I will add later. Okay, so now, so our workspace has been, so this is the name of the workspace. So shopping demo, and also we have the pipeline. The channel name is pipeline. So from Slack side, we're done. So now we have to go back to the Bitbucket. And when you come to the Bitbucket, what we have to do, just click on repository, go to the your repository, then click on the repository setting, then scroll down till you see the Slack at the bottom. So click on settings and click on connect. Shopping demo. So let me expand this a little bit more. So connect and info about you, content info about your channel, perform action, like whatever you want to choose. You can read through it. But for now, I'm going to click on allow. Now you see it is detect my workspace like shopping demo. And now channel, right? We create a pipeline channel. So we have a 3-channel general pipeline, but I created pipeline. So I click on pipeline, click on add. So now it's giving me the optional like the what we want to see the notification for. So this is the notification by default is set. So if based on our criteria or requirements, we can choose whatever notification we want to receive. So for now, I'm going to just click on it. No, I'm not going to add that. So leave it everything there. If you want to remove something, like for example, if you want to remove this, it will remove, right? So I'm going to leave everything like this. So now let's go to our repository again and go to repository. let's stay there and let me open the, so this is the Slack, as you see, and the pipeline, right? The pipeline, I got some default notification right here. Okay, so because I just start, so it's just give me like, it's like kind of a welcome message. And also so this is also happening on the Bitbucket as well. Like Bitbucket, it wasn't here before. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, go back to the PyCharm and just add more some new context, whatever. We just want to trigger this new to make sure our Slack is generate notification or not. Okay, so now let's see like where I am, what branch I am. So it's Git branch. So I am in the feature branch, so that's good. So now see Git status. So we modified this file, so that's why it's only that file will be include. So I say git add, git commit, or I can say test Slack notification, whatever message you want, it doesn't matter. So now it has been added. So now I have to say push, right? So git push origin, origin to feature. So I'm going to push it to the my branch, not the master branch. Enter. So now let me go to the Bitbucket, click on pipeline. Now I should, it is triggered. Let's wait a little bit. So this, you see the feature Rubel, this is the pipeline, pipeline link. So this information will be sent to the Slack. So now open Slack, click on pipeline. So I did not pipeline. I did not. Okay, pull request is created. Okay, so right now it is not configured to the branch level. It is configured, I think it is the master branch. So what I can do in this case is let me push the code to the master branch. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, so it has been configured with the master branch. So let me see what I can do here. So for testing purpose, what I can do, I can just, since a master code and our code was little almost similar, right? So let's push code to the master branch. Let's see if it is happening there. So I need to change from switch my branch to master. So it's git branch. So git switch to master. And if I right now I should be on the master branch. So the master branch, I don't think I have anything here. Okay, so what I can do, just create, let me pull it first, git. So now, let me see, git ignore. Okay, So now let me create another test file. It's already exists. Okay, it's here. Okay, this is test. Add more test. So now say status. Git commit. Git add. Git commit. And test file to test Slack notification. Okay, so now git push origin master. So it has been pushed to master branch. So now click on pipeline again. So it is in progress. Let me open the Slack again. Yeah. So as you see, it has been 12:20 Zerubbabel DM push one commit to master. So right now our the way we set it up is will work only for the master branch, not our local branch. So I will do the troubleshoot, like how we can set it up with the with our local, I mean the repository, not the master, but definitely in our real project, it has to be on the master branch as well, because we need to make sure nobody mess around on the master branch. Okay, so as you see, it has a branch ID number. I mean the branch number, and this the notification has been sent after we sent push the code to the master branch, and it will take you there. You see, like this is the before it tells that this is for test, and this is the new push that we create. Okay, so I'm going to stop here. So basically, what we covered today, we download, install, and configure the Slack for the get notification, and we want to make sure we do get notification wherever push, pull, or clone the project from the master branch. As soon as any activity is performed on the master branch, we should get the notification and the Slack. And this Slack notification will be seen by the team member in our project. Thank you.